Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to get thumbnail from any YouTube video. So for example, if I go here and I want to use this thumbnail, so you can also recreate thumbnails using AI, but before that you want to get a thumbnail image. So now let me go here and search for extract thumbnail from YouTube video online, and then here you will get multiple websites. So here you can see this one, getyoutubethumbnail.com. You can go here and now you can copy any video link. For example, let me copy, and now let me go, then here I can add video link, then click on get YouTube thumbnail, then scroll down. Now here you can see we have got this thumbnail. You can simply save this image, and now you can easily recreate any of the thumbnail using AI.